Hello, I'm Nikhil Heather. Welcome to Java Programming Channel. Today I'm discuss about uh, array of structure. I have already discussed what is structure, but now I discuss what is array of structure. We have I want to store more than one, like example 3, 4 student of report stored in structure. So we should go for array of structure. So we define the array of structure three size, limit size of three. How to initialize value in a structure using array of structure std I std 0 index 0 means index of a structure rd 1 std 0 name summer kill whatever, but array of structure array of size 3, but maybe thousand hundred and so on. So initializing is impossible. So we should go for runtime initializing using loop int I for I equal 0 I less than 3 I plus plus. Next printf enter student id scanf percent d n percent comma n percent std I dot id printf enter name of student scanf percent is n percent std I dot name. After store, I want to fetch all store value in a structure. So for I equal 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For better design, printf rd name printf percent d space percent is comma std I dot id comma std I don't know. The code is finish, finally, compile and run this code. Student ID 1, name Amit. Student ID 2, name Ajay. Student ID 3, name. So, output is not good looking because line not changing. Slash ID 1, name Amit. ID 2, name Ajay. ID 3, name Mohan. ID name 1 Amit, 2 Ajay, 3 Mohan. Thank you for watching and subscribe more video. Thank you so much.